Integrating the Stripe payment gateway in Next.js 13.4 is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, create a Stripe account if you haven't already. Then, go to the Stripe dashboard and navigate to API keys. Next, generate both test and live secret keys. You will use these keys later to connect your Next.js app to Stripe. After that, open your terminal and run npm install at stripe/stripe-js at stripe/react-stripe-js. These packages provide essential Stripe functionalities for your Next.js app. On your server side, node.js, create a route where you will generate a Stripe payment intent. This intent defines the payment details like amount, currency, and customer information. On the client side or React, use react-stripe-js to handle the checkout flow. This involves accepting user input for payment details, using the Elements component to render Stripe input fields for card details, and redirecting the user to the Stripe confirmation page. Once you receive the payment method ID from the client, use your server-side Stripe library to confirm the payment.